Nasdaq and S&P 500 analysis. So today 29th August we can see that the market opened with a gap towards the downside, which is always a bearish signal. Towards the right side we can see 4043 is the current price for S&P 500. If I scroll down, interesting thing to see over here is TradingView is telling us that S&P 500 is in a sell region right now. Very interesting. Let me know in the comments what you guys think about what TradingView is telling us. But let's go to the weekly chart and let me show you something. So look at this trend line over here, this one over here, very important. 3 times we got rejected from here, so we have to keep an eye on this trend line for the future. Also, another important thing we would like to notice over here is, let me zoom in, and then if we see over here, this green line, basically this green line, which is our 50 period moving average, is actually showing that resistance happens over here and the market tries to go above this. If fails, then come back down. And also again, this time also we are facing the exact same thing. We are trying to get past the green line but struggling. Other than this, if we look at this purple line over here, this purple line, this is very important, 100 period moving average. Let me zoom out a bit. So whenever we are near this, it's actually a nice time, especially when the RSI is also around 30 or below. So this is actually a good time to enter the market. So maybe it is possible that we might see a correction towards this side. We cannot ignore this scenario and we have to keep this in our mind. Maybe 3700 is the area where we might start seeing some good support for S&P 500. If we talk about support levels, then of course 3900 being a psychological number is actually very important. Support in this area, resistance 2 times, then changed again to support. So yeah, possible that we might see a drop towards this 3900 number and then might find some support over here. If not this level, then of course we know this 3700 number over here, which is the 100 moving average, will be very important. So keep an eye on these things. Moving on to Nasdaq is actually a very similar story. We are seeing the same resistance line getting rejected, roughly 13,700 over here, and exactly same behavior, opened with a gap towards the downside. Also the 100 moving average acting as a support 2 times in the past. So we have to keep an eye on this again. 12,000 being a very important psychological number can act as a good support point for Nasdaq. Current RSI is sitting at 45. We can see from the historical trend that below 30 or 35 is the area of interest, especially when the price is around the purple line 100 moving average. Quickly going towards the 4-hour chart, just look at this huge rejection over here. The purpose of showing this is basically you can see how volatile the markets are. Anything can happen. It can go up a lot, it can come down a lot. It's all up to you how you protect your money, and for that you need to learn proper risk management. Please do that. Thousands of videos are available on YouTube. You can go there anytime and learn about risk management. Basically you need to learn about stop loss, take profit, risk and reward ratio. These 3 are the main components that you need to learn, and if you're actively trading into the markets, please be careful. Good luck trading. Thank you.